Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek and today I will be unboxing this small box from SF, and actually what is inside maybe you already know, because here you can see this Russian symbol, and this is actually 1:18 scale figure. What else is here? Okay, high-end painted figure of Vladimir Putin, President of Russian Federation, for collectors. It's not a toy, it's handmade actually in Russia, and it's from resin. Car is not included. And there is also the serial number SF118104, and actually this is pretty sealed, so you really need to cut it. So there is also a hint here, open here, cut the line. And there is actually this line, so what I will do now is really that I need to cut it, and I have actually this one, so let me just very gently cut it. And hopefully I will not damage anything. Okay, so this should be now, it should be now cut, yeah. And still I'm not able to open it, so maybe I need to cut a little bit deeper and a little bit more. It's not easy to open. Okay, so now I got it. Oh, it's packed really well. Okay. So it seems like there are two layers inside. And let me just gently remove them somehow. Oh, it's not that easy, not that easy. Before I open this, yeah, I'm quite curious what will be inside. Let me also show you something else what was inside. So there is this card. I don't know what this is. Actually, it's the head of Vladimir Putin, and I can see the scale figures, certificate of authenticity. So this is actually a certificate on a piece of paper, which looks like, I don't know, it's like glued, two pieces glued together. This figure is not for playing, only for collectors. Use with care, always use gloves, use brush to clean the figure of dust. So, okay, so I don't have gloves today, sorry. Maybe I will use just my bare hands. And this is number 64 out of 300. So actually 300 of Vladimir Putin statues were delivered, and this is one of them. I'm very curious now. Okay, here we go. Wow. So look at that. How realistic do you think it is? Yeah. So let me just take it out of the box. The hands, it's made of resin. You can see the hair, so maybe from the profile, yeah, so it looks like this. This is the head. The tie, the red tie, white shirt and black suit, and this is Vladimir Putin himself, and we can also see the black shoes. They are a little bit shiny, which is good. The rest of the suit is not that shiny. Not bad, not bad. But maybe what I will do now is to compare it to actually to the pictures that they provided, okay? So here on the screen you can actually see the pictures of the model or of the figure that as they were advertised, and this is actually the model itself. Okay, so from the side it really looks, I mean, it's the same, yeah, the same pose, everything here. Maybe the suit on the picture is more blue, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then here, I would say it's exactly the same. Yeah. In terms of quality, I was very much interested, like, to compare the face, and here, I mean, the face is quite okay. maybe on the original picture here, like it's little bit better. I don't know. I can't really say, or I can't tell. Maybe you tell me what you think. Okay, so let me just focus back on this one. It's not bad. I would say it's still okay. Maybe just something small is missing. Maybe can you see that hole between the eyebrows? I don't think it should be there. The rest, I think the rest is okay. Maybe, yeah, the corner of the lips, a little bit too dark. I'm not sure. Yeah, so let's focus back on this one. Yeah, I mean, for collectors, it's not so bad. Yeah, so again, this is the size of the box, and this is the figure. And maybe now try to guess how much was this. So how much was it? Okay, so actually this figure was 110 US dollars. It's produced in in Russia, and actually also distributed by a German company, or somebody in Germany who is reselling those on eBay. So 110, and I decided to buy this one just to make some very nice videos or pictures with my luxury limousines, maybe one of those Maybachs, because I don't have the Russian president car, which is actually this one. So you saw the Aurus Senat, and this is the presidential car. Once somebody is starting producing those Aurus Senats, I will of course buy it and display it together with the Vladimir Putin. So far I don't have any Aurus, so I will just display it together with the Maybach. Okay, so right now, Vladimir, you will be driving just the Maybach. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lovely video with a small figure of Vladimir Putin, the Russian president. And here we go. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.